Nā, I roto I ngā wiki tata nei, I whakapāho atu ai mātou I te hunga nā rātou nei I tito te waiata tira Kua Horo. Hei te rā nei, he waiata tira anō, hei whakaatu atu mā mātou ki a koutou, engari paku rereke nei. Nā Tuirina Wehi I tito ko aio te ingoa o te waiata, kua waiata tia te waiata nei puta noa I te ao. E te ropu waiata tira o te whare wānanga o Tāmaki me te kapa haka o Manu Huia. Anei rā a ngā Huia Wade.
Composing. I like marrying the words, like the story, with the music. Like I think they have to reflect each other. They're one and the same. That's what I really love, is when you get that perfect marriage. And not only that perfect marriage, but the way it impacts on the listener. If that perfect marriage can touch, move and inspire someone, then to me that's a great song. I've done a lot of compositions about wai. I wrote an ori for my nephew around water and how this is the world he'll be born into, and it's sort of just to teach him, to prepare him for the responsibility that we all need to take on as when it comes to wai.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love.
I was a big fan of MJ. When he passed, I just wanted to make a tribute. The kaupapa is pretty much about peace. He sang a lot about that. That's how it started. That's how the tune came about. And then I started doing the kupu. I think it sort of touches an emotional place in me. It makes me think about people I love who are no longer, with me today. I hope that they're looking down on me and they're proud of me, of what I'm doing. Yeah.
He mea tuhia ai o e Tuirina Wehi, engari ko te rangi o te waiata nā Tuirina rāwa ko tana whanaunga a Tuwhiti happy. Ka kite koutou I etahi atu o a tātou rangatahi e tohunga ana ki te titu waiata reo Māori I roto I wā mātou paki pūmeka motuhake ka tīmata rā hei te marama o Hakihea.